Hi, my name is Ted with Legacy Brand Leather. This week I didn't get a chance to film a crafting video since I was spending the 4th of July holiday with my family. However, I was working on a couple orders, but those are things I've already posted on the channel. But for the heck of it, I'll show you guys the finishing touches I was doing on a police notebook cover. Here I'm going through the burnishing and polishing phase on the edges of this piece. Roll that footage. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I might not have a crafting video to post next week either, as I will be in Las Vegas for most of the week. But we'll see. Have a great weekend, everybody. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and see you next week.